If I eat all my sweets, can we go to the pool right after this?
Let's finish our tea ceremony first. A perfect afternoon for tea, isn't it? Thank you for waiting. Mr. Whiskers will see you shortly.
Based on your experience with the laser pointer division, how would you approach our current market challenges?
We are looking for someone with strong leadership qualities.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
And how do you handle strict deadlines?
I thrive under pressure and consistently exceed expectations.
Punctuality is the soul of business. Now, if I could just find my corner office.
With the quarterly reports filed and the acquisition finalized, Tabitha knew it was time to make her exit. The city awaited.
Some nights, the solitude hits harder than the rain.
Don't worry, the train is here. We'll be out of the rain in just a moment.
The rain couldn't dampen their spirits. As long as they had each other, every puddle was just another adventure.
Oh, you're all wet from the rain, aren't you? Let's get this off.
Gently, the adult cat helped the little one out of the wet raincoat, safe and warm inside their cozy home.
The finest tamagoyaki, shared with the ones we love. This is true happiness.
She stared at the message from Bangkok. The distance felt vast in the stillness of the room.
Hello everyone, how are you all? Request to viewers, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Whiskerverse 3D.